about me and myself. First, my name is RJD Bacaro, living in Balon Ugadod, Zamboanga del Norte, and I'm 16 years old. My favorite having to do is playing Mobile Legends, and my talent is drawing, then dance. I'm not dancer, but I love to dance. My father's name is Regalado G. Pacaro, while my mother's name Armela D. De La Cruz. Well, my father's work is farmer, while my mother's work is only Andara from Zamboanga. And when I don't have class, I go to my mother to work. At least I will help them to support my financial. When I'm not in school, I go to Bukid to care and guide my sister. I have two sisters, Cassandra and Alexandra. My passion is to learn anything that I want, and my goal is to succeed and graduate. Then I'm gonna help my mother and father. And only message I can give is keep going and keep working hard. That's all.